Okay, lots of folks had questions about this one. Number of red and gray bricks are used to build a decorative wall. The number of red bricks and gray bricks was 5 to 2. So you could say if there was actually, if the number of red bricks was actually 5, and the number of gray bricks was actually 2, that would make that ratio of 5 to 2, but that would say that would only take 7 bricks. There would only be 7 bricks that were used. So maybe this was a simplified fraction. If it was 10 fourths, that would simplify to 5 over 2, and it would be 14 bricks that were used. Okay, I'm going somewhere with this. But you don't know what they canceled out. Here you could cancel out top and bottom. You could divide by 2. So if you wanted to find out how many there really were, you would take the simplified 5/2 ratio and you would have to multiply top and bottom by 2. We don't know what they canceled, so we don't know what we need to multiply them by, so we're going to call them 5x and 2x. That fraction would simplify down to 5 over 2 if you canceled out the x's, right? But then we can use that to find out how many of each there were, because we can say 5x red bricks plus 2x gray bricks needs to equal the total number of bricks that they said were used, and that was 224. Now all you have to do is combine like terms and divide by the coefficient. And you find the value of x, and doing that math, we can do it over here on the side. Is 32. Now, fun fact, that's not actually a number of bricks. That's the value of x, and you need to put it back in. So I'll show you that in a second. So what we need to do now is we need to find out what's the actual number of each kind of brick. Or actually, let's just read what they're telling us up top, because I think that they're asking for a specific piece of information. And what they say is, yep, how many red bricks were used. So we know that the red bricks were the 5 times x. 5x red bricks, or 5 times 32. But let's just do something to check. Let's say, okay, then there were 2x gray bricks, or 2 times 32. That means that there were 64 gray bricks, supposedly. So then let's check and see, does that actually add up to the 224 bricks? 160 plus 64. Yes, it does. So we know that that's the correct x value, but very specifically for the answer, we know that 5 times that number x was 160, the amount, the number of red bricks, and that's B, and that's the answer.